What if you could run a full affiliate business while traveling, relaxing at home, or even on your lunch break? That's the idea behind Wi-Fi Cashbot. It takes the complicated setup of affiliate marketing and takes it something you can control right from your phone. Instead of spending months creating funnels and writing content, Wi-Fi Cashbot gives you a ready-to-use system. You get done-for-you pages, preloaded offers, and even email content that's already written for you. On top of that, the built-in AI traffic feature does the hard work of finding people who are ready to click and buy. That means you don't need to worry about designing websites or running ads. Check your stats on your phone and let the automation handle the rest. It's the perfect solution for busy professionals, students, or anyone who wants an easy side hustle. Want to see how it works for yourself? Tap the link in my description and start using Wi-Fi Cashbot to build your affiliate business today.